Hello everybody! Today I wanted to take some time to congratulate Sparkling Bins on 13 years of business. Back on September 30th, 2010, a little company out of Miami, Florida was formed when our owner and founder John Conway decided he wanted to clean trash bins for a living. Here's our first truck, a little bit different than the ones we put out today. As you can see, it's held together with bungee cords, a lift gate, spray bars, and cold water back then. Pretty remarkable to look back on all of the years and how we've been able to progress. Even back then, we were promoting to HOAs, trying to get ourselves featured in newsletters, different ways to promote trash bin cleaning, something we're extremely passionate about. After we outgrew that truck, we needed to enhance some of our technology. For example, you'll see the spinning heads here, as well as a universal style grabber. We've gone through a couple different rebranding stages, and back then that was a steel bed, not like the aluminum ones we build today. This was one of our first trailer builds. As you can see, wood planks, which we no longer manufacture with wood but aluminum. However, it was a learning process for all of us as we continued to grow and more people reached out wanting to get involved with trash bin cleaning. You can see here this was still the lift gate style. This is where training took place back in the day in front of our house. A lot of meetings taking place at our dining room table with prospects as well as folks that wanted to come and pick up their system. Another one of our first trailers that we put out. We made plenty of use of our driveway. Now we started Line-Xing the frames, which we do today on all of our builds. And as we built trailers, we started to get inquiries about trucks. This was the first ever truck build that we manufactured. Orange Muscle, which headed out to the Tar Heel State. It's truly incredible to look back on some of our first ever clients. We thank them for entrusting us. And here's our first ever SB3. It headed out to Edwina and Jason Adams. Another truck that is still in service today. Jason Proctor bought these used from the original client. He actually just got done refurbishing them. These spinning bars, as you see there, those are now spinning heads, and of course, the universal style grabber. More pictures of some of our earlier builds, which had 325 gallons of fresh water, and then we quickly upgraded to the Isuzu cab-over style, which allowed us to carry 525 gallons of fresh water, knowing our clients needed more water in order to clean more bins. But these, of course, were all with pressure wash engines, which leads us to 2019. Our SB4 PTO, the only system in the industry that can pick up 2 cans, run 2 heads at a time, without the use of any pressure wash engine. It continues to be our #1 seller today. Then the SB4 PTO Deluxe, a special request by Brad Miller. That truck has over 1,000 gallons of fresh water. Of course, then we got into the commercial sector of the industry. Our first ever SB5, 3 spinning heads operating at the same time with 3 Honda engines, which led us to the SB5 PTO. This truck is all powered through the chassis, no more pressure wash engines aboard. 3 spinning heads operating at the same time for 24 gallons per minute of water flow. And finally, our latest model, a custom order from Frank Gutierrez. His company name is C-Max out of California. This is a fully automated truck. As you can see, it's a side loader. Your driver can remain inside of the cab. This system will also clean the outside of the bins. This was for a city contract him and his team picked up. Want to make sure to acknowledge everyone who has supported us over the years. Want to take some time to appreciate all the sacrifices our owner and founder, John Conway, made in order to allow his vision to come to life. Here we are manufacturing over 100 rigs a year with the help of our amazing team, and I am confident to say we have the best team in the industry. And it all started in front of our driveway. A true American dream and a testament that if you work hard, if you're willing to sacrifice and put in the time, anything is possible with hard work and determination. Thank you all for your support, and here's to another 13 years of Sparkling Bins.